Hello and welcome to Well-Aged Cruisers. I'm John,
And I'm Sonia.
and we decided to make this channel for, well, lots of reasons, really. I get asked a lot at my customers. I have a lot of customers, and they're always asking questions about cruising. And we've been on 15 so far, with five
booked.
currently booked for this new after pandemic cruising
Middle of pandemic cruising.
time. So anyway, so for me, I thought it would be a nice resource for folks to learn about some cruising tips and tricks.
I wanted to just talk about cruising. I love cruising. It's my favorite way to vacation. And it's just like my whole life. I read everything I can about cruising. I look at ships, I look at itineraries, and I just want to share what we have.
That's why we have 5 on the books right now.
Yes, and I
Because when we look, we purchase.
tried to get a 6th one in there, but
I do have work,
time.
unfortunately.
Well, I do too, but I have a lot of leave.
Anyway, so we're going to talk about some of the mistakes we made in the beginning, some of the little tricks we've learned along the way, drink packages,
Ships, ports, specialty restaurants, dining rooms, bars, dance floors because we like to dance. Just everything about cruising.
and when we're on a ship, we'll do a daily vlog showing, what we do, what the ports are like. We also are spontaneous, sometimes entertaining, and we do these videos without scripting.
Yes, obviously.
So it adds to the genuine feel.
We also have a white fluffy dog who likes to interrupt constantly. So if you hear him barking or panting or scratching to get attention, you'll know what it is.
Yep, he's our resident white seal.
Yes, he is.
Anyway, stay tuned. We have a lot of ideas, a lot of videos that we're going to post. The ideas just keep coming, and of course, once we actually start sailing, which is next month,
Next month. I'm so excited.
it'll just expand our library of videos.
Yes.
So anyway, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. You can also find us on Instagram at Well-Aged Cruisers,
Yes.
and we will see you on board.
Bye-bye.